The blockchains have overwhelmed the money display, and the monetary environment is loaded with isolated individual little tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Subsequently, the whole usefulness of FTX token depends on making itself really special, beating the skeptic crypto scene. With a unique spotlight on giving energy to digital currencies, FTX has arisen as an original trade in the cryptographic money portion. FTX token offers brokers an extraordinary platform that moves their devotion and offers power-pressed highlights that are unfathomable in traditional digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Money, and others. Before we start with FTX token cost expectation, we should really take a look at FTX token outline. Ftx token, the group upheld by a group of devoted experts who are involved with their commitment to specialized mastery on blockchain calculations. Ftx token specialists work nonstop. The organogram begins with chief and organizer Sam Bankman-Fried, trailed by CTO Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and Kusina Nader. Ftx token. The model qualities FTX token gives a multi-pronged benefit to every one of its financial backers to trade FTX, thinking of it as a beneficial speculation. Dealers are sure of getting an incentive for their cash exchanging FTX, more famous as CoinFTT. FTX token offers versatility and speed as well as seen as solid and reliable. Counting an exceptionally fabricated FTX token and cold wallet arrangement, full outer sponsorship of all FTX wallet assets, and associations with industry driving overseers, FTX token has a pattern of industry devotees. Joining of stablecoins has given FTX token an edge to give extra liquidity, empowering a quicker and more secure exchanging experience. Different functionalities too, like withdrawal, store, and easy-to-use exchanges are only a portion of the many elements FTX token comes outfitted with. Ftx token. The corporate social obligation, the non-benefit arm of FTX token backings guideline and consistence as the standards to be carried out in the whole biological system of FTX token. Being a key role player, FTX establishment has teamed up with associations across the world to bridle the capability of moderate innovation. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from interpersonal interaction for good cause incorporate the human association, the open artificial intelligence, the give well groundwork, and unselfishness. Ftx token is the trailblazer in high regard, mostly on the grounds that more than being simply a stage for launching a local token FTT, it turns out to be more versatile than other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the cryptographic money market. All things considered, as far as return of venture of last year, Ethereum beat FTX, and you can check Ethereum cost expectation here. Ftx token, authentic information in specialized examination. Ftx token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This cutting-edge innovation has become effective in breaking liberated from the customary philosophies of exchange on the lookout. Ftx token's local cash FTT that is exchanged on different trades by a great many clients overall is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of venture commendable monetary standards. The idleness that at first played for the Ftx token is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as brokers. Throughout the course of recent months, the cost of Ftx token has shown a critical cost increment. During the last month, the Ftx token has enlisted a record-breaking high at $63.08. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the Ftx cost confronted a sharp dive, and presently, it exchanges around $34. A habitually and distinctly noticed characteristic of Ftx token cost in the digital currency market is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear, nailing down development. As a guileless contestant, this crypto resource is yet to build up forward momentum of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its innate potential. Ftx token value expectation, market feeling. Presently, the cost of Ftx token stands at $40.69 with a market cap of $5,627,206,535.41 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $126,810,407.40. The coursing supply of Ftx tokens in the market is 137,695,377 FTT. Despite the fact that it is a late contestant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource terminology. The cost figure specialists are very hopeful. In light of our estimate framework, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Ftx token cost visualization for 2026 is $213.22. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 423.75%. The cost of Ftx token is by all accounts showing positive condition. It might offer extensive revisitations of its financial backers by stretching around $57.32 toward the finish of 2022. By virtue of our forecasts, it is the best opportunity to purchase FTX token at the most reduced cost. FTX token appears to be exceptionally bullish as it has shown a dependable consistency. By December 2022 end, the cost ought to handily swing around $48.84 to $50.69, which will be very nearly a 26% increase from the ongoing cost. A ton of FTX token undertakings are moving from idea stage to testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of tasks would have been finished. Consequently, an inside-and-out bullish value expectation of $52 giving FTX token a decent worth. According to the most recent news and cost gauge, the coin could arrive at the most exorbitant cost of $52.37 and by 2023 going up to $64.88, showing an incredible worth. A profound infiltration into the statistical data points of FTX token has an out-and-out various story to uncover. In spite of having large future potential and commitments of hopeful exchanging, the token has a great deal of motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. As indicated by our crypto gauges, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. A ton of patching up is required by the engineers to show greater readiness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the basics of the undertaking. This could assist with pushing the cost to the pinnacle. However, FTX token didn't beat during the last year. The majority of the contenders of FTX token also didn't entrance the merchants by the same token. Just to be paired with hopeful evangelists, assuming we consider that FTX token cost will arrive at the moon by 70% in the year 2021, and furthermore keeping the early highlights of FTX token being not difficult to store and mechanical progression of conveyed web use for versatility and capacity. This could drive FTX token flexibility rate and increment its cost to around $60 toward the finish of 2021. FTX token value expectation 2022, heaping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that FTX token is ready for a rise even in the following year, for example 2022, with enough volume and supply. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and bucks, the cost for FTT just keeps on showing a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation, contacting the $57.32 mark. FTX token value expectation 2023. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX token ventures a piece troublesome, it would cause a misfortune, however, just small, dropping to $62.21 on the cost outline. Nonetheless, this stays as a skeptical situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this disorder for venture guidance. FTX token value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by anticipated that FTX token will control the crypto outline with a presentation of cost fixed at $78.46. This is a practically comparable development proportion that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows